Okay, so for today's video, I have an unboxing to do. My birthday is coming up. By the time this video is up, it will probably be past my birthday. But I decided I want to treat myself to a very, very special gift for myself. So I bought myself a vacuum. So today, we are going to unbox that and show you the whole installation process, put it together, unbox it for you guys. I got this vacuum from Amazon, and I just want something that are very handy. Our house gets super dusty in the summer, especially because I like to open up windows. So I want to have a really good vacuum. I hope this is good. And I'm gonna do a review for you guys. So this won't be up until a few weeks because I want to test out the vacuum and kind of give you guys a really good review and show you guys or tell you what I like about it, what I don't like about it. So let's go ahead and unbox this vacuum. So this is how the box came the other day, and it's hard to believe that this is a vacuum, but this is a vacuum. So I'm gonna open it right now and see what is inside. Super excited! You know you're getting old when you get excited of a vacuum. The original price of this is, I think it was $90, and I got $20 off of it. I don't know how I get the $20, but I think it just popped up on Amazon while I was checking out. So a big plus, because I love me some savings. Okay, so this is how the packaging looks like, and it's called, the brand is called Inse, but this is the whole vacuum supposed to look like. So we're gonna take that out. This is the whole vacuum. The box is really small. And it says on the package, it's super strong, and I read reviews before purchasing this, and there's a lot of good reviews on this vacuum, so I went ahead and bought it. It says it's super strong, lightweight, high efficiency, and there's a large 1-liter dust cup that you could empty once it gets full. The only downside of the handheld vacuum like this is that the dust cup gets really full really quick if your house is really dirty. So that's the only downside of it. When you vacuum, the dust cup right here gets really full really quick. So I think that's one of the downside when you have this type of vacuum, but my house not that dirty, okay? So we won't have the same problem. So we're gonna open this up. Oh, I'm super excited. And this is a bagless convertible stick vacuum. Love me some convertible, even though it's just vacuum. Okay, so let's open it up and see what's inside. There's my vacuum inside. So this is the attachment, I think, the handle attachment, like that. That's how it looks. And then this is the bottom, the sweeper part of it. And I think you have to attach this in here. Okay. Okay, so there has a button here that if you press down, this brush here, the bristle at the bottom, come out a little bit. See? I don't know if you can see that. See? Okay, so it has a couple of attachments. So the first one is, oh, I really like these attachments. This little brush thingy. So you could go like on the crevices of your house. So this is really cool. And this is the other attachment. These are nice with like baseboards and stuff when you want to dust, and then like little corners that you can't get with this. So this is a nice handy attachment. So, and then there is this. I don't know what this is for. I think okay, so there is a button here that you could push, and then you could lower that down, and then up. And I wonder what this is for. Oh, you could put it here and then put your attachment like so. Oh, this is nice for storage. Okay, so you won't lose it. Perfect, I like that. Okay, it's a decent size cup. And then, so what is this? That's the power button. Okay, so this button right here is to release the dust cup. Like so, the whole thing. This is the filter right here. Okay, which they said on the website, on the description when I purchased it, you can wash this and dry it off and then replace it back, so that helps with the good suction as well if this filter is cleaned properly on a regular basis. And then the cup isn't that big. Like this gets really full really quick if your house is dirty. And then this one right here is to open this lid to empty the dirt from the inside. I don't know why, but this gets me really happy to have a vacuum, because I get tired all the time. Like my house gets really dusty all the time, especially with like food crumbs that the girls bring in with their snacks and everything. So it's really nice to just take the vacuum and vacuum it real quick instead of like sweeping it. It takes so much time, and sometimes I get so lazy and tired. So vacuum is really a good thing to have. Whenever we had vacuum before, but that was a crappy vacuum. We had it for like years. So this is an upgrade. This is a great birthday gift for myself, and I'm really happy. We attached this bad boy here, and then we extend this just so we have enough length. Let's go turn this bad boy on. Okay. It does get hot really quickly, but not too hot that you're burning yourself. The only other thing that I notice is that, you know, when you're vacuuming, you want, sometimes when you're lazy and you're like, you know, just to rest it like that, like your hands like this, right? And then the head would be flat on the floor, like so. But this one, you have to keep your hands upright like this for the head to be fully flat on the floor. But if you do this, some vacuum you just go like stay flat on the floor, but this one, unfortunately, you have to like lift your hands up in this angle for it to be flat on the floor, which I don't mind. But the thing is, this portion here is a little bit heavy, not too heavy, but sometimes if you're using your vacuum like for a long time, vacuuming, you get tired. And sometimes you want to rest your hands like this. But this one, you're going to have to hold it like that. I mean, I don't mind. Let's see. My house just got cleaned the other day, so it's not as dirty, but we'll see how it goes. So far, I don't have any issues other than that, like the positioning of your hand while doing it. But we will see. I will show you how it's how the suction is when I have like a lot of dirt on the floor. I'll show you that, and then we'll see. I'll use this for a good week, and then I will tell you how I feel about the vacuum. But I'm super excited. I like how it looks. It's very sleek and compact, small, that I could just, you know, put it on the side to store.
This is Operation Test. Mommy. I'm playing the video.
Yeah, that's fine. That's what I want you to do.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
Look at the video and make sure that we're
Perfect. So let's talk about how I feel about the vacuum. I like it in a sense that it does the job for me in the house. If I do have a carpeted floors in the upstairs, or if I have a carpeted floors in my home, I would not recommend this vacuum, just because I feel like this specific vacuum, although it has a button to switch if you're doing wood floors and if you're doing carpeted floors, but I don't think it will work great if you have a big area of a carpet in your home, because just the way it's built. Like there are some vacuums that when you turn it on a carpeted floor, it will just automatically run. And it's really easy if you're cleaning a carpeted area. You don't have to like push hard, you know, it will just go in by itself. But this specific one, it's like a manual vacuum. You have to push it. And if you have carpeted floors, I know earlier when we did a demo, it did great with the suction and all that, but just the matter of like exerting a little bit more effort to push the vacuum, I did not like that on a carpeted floor. Now on a wooden floor, it's very easy because the surface is smooth and it's very easy. The suction is very good. The only thing that I don't like about it in general is the fact that the bottom portion of the vacuum is very light. I would want it to be a little bit heavy. It keeps on lifting, and I have to keep like positioning my arms so that the bottom portion of the vacuum goes flat on the floor, and I don't like that. I just wish that it's heavier a little bit, and I wish that it's a little bit more flexible at the bottom so I could just maneuver it from the top. Sometimes I have to manually step on the head of the vacuum just so it stays flat on the floor. I would want it to work the way my arm works without doing any more work. I'm already doing work, you know what I mean? But that's the only problem with its vacuums. Like suction wise, it's great. It does the job. It cleans my house. And I really like the price point as well, which is great because it's not very expensive. It's not bad for the price. I'm still using it. I just cleaned my whole basement the other day because it was very dusty, and it does the job. It cleaned it. I'll use it. You know, I won't just put it on the side and don't use it. I do use it for the house and everything, but for yourself, maybe you could get another one. Not this vacuum. I would not recommend this. It's just because I spend money on it. I have it. I will use it. But for your own personal insight and for your own, to help you out a little bit to decide whether to buy or not to buy this vacuum. Again, I mentioned if you have wood floors, it's no problem. If you have carpeted floors, go buy another vacuum, not this one. So I hope you guys like this review, and I hope you get a little bit from this. Let me know down in the comment below if you have the same vacuum and how you feel about it. If you're planning to buy this vacuum, I'm gonna link the item below. I'm gonna link it in the description, so you could just go ahead and click that. Yeah, that is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you do, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe because that helps my channel. Also, click the notification bell just so you get notified whenever I upload new videos. So that's it for today. Thank you so much again for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye!